Coco. Yes. We are back, guys, and obviously, as you can see, we are right here with the students, trainees of the Marcus Mosiah Garvey Foundation. Okay, and we have one female over there, and you are the administrator.
Yes.
Okay, welcome. Right, so I'm glad that you're in this segment. Young men, I hear this program gets you guys in between the ages of 18 to 35. Right? And you have been around, madam and sir, and you know where they come from, where they're born. Which country they were born in.
Jamaica.
So that means you have to know at least a little bit of patois. Right? You know a little bit of patois. So when I say to the audience that right now, the students and the trainees, you're going to step it up. You're going to level up. What we mean is that you're going to raise the bar. You're going to let the audience hear your voice. Alright? Because you are representing Madam. Bossy. In Jamaica we say bossy.
And Marcus Garvey.
Right? And most importantly, the essence of what Marcus Mosiah Garvey stood for represents, not representing, because you are going to be living through by what you're doing here. So, first of all, I'm going to say, give yourself a clap. Turning up and being here. All right? Now, we have, I'm going to introduce your audience to the tutor. Geoffrey? Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yeah.
Could you stand, please? And I want you to tell the audience, speak up! Right? So introduce yourself fully, because at the other segment that I did, you know, Madame Naomi and Sir Neville told me that the tutor is certified. And it's not a dream certification or a fancy certification. That you are certified by the government, so you know what you're doing.
Yes.
Right? So tell them a little bit about your students, where they are, and role is all about you here now, Jeffrey. Please speak.
Thank you. So my name is Folly Geoffrey, and I'm the General Electric Tutor for MMG. So far so good. We started with General Electrics, so we introduced ourselves to the basic electricals and then the necessary things you must put in place to have a good system in place to safeguard people. We also introduce ourselves to the safety around engineering and then the concept of being able to read and interpret electrical drawings and plans. Going on, we also studied on CCTV, video surveillance system. To be able, right now, in the world of technology, you have to secure your environment and wherever you find yourself. So we introduce ourselves to the basic CCTV technologies, which are the analog and then the IP systems. So currently we are on it, and then we've really done so much. Each and every student, I can confidently say that they can all set up a DVR and an NVR for a video surveillance system.
Repeat that again and raise up the volume on that. You can vouch and you're confident that your students can do what? Tell them that for me, loud and clear.
Each and every student can set up an analog or an IP system for a security video surveillance system. Awesome. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Tutor give you high ratings. Now, let me have an idea of the ages of you guys. I'm going to say this. Who in here is 18? 18 years old. 18 years of age. 20? 19? Yeah. Hold up your hand. So you're the youngest one.
Yeah, I think
so in this course, the youngest student trainee, 19 years old, youngster, yes, and the oldest. What age we have for the oldest? 30? So we are all under 30.
No.
Yeah,
35.
definitely.
35 is the eldest.
We have a 35 years old in this course today? No?
No.
So all these trainees in here are under 30.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Prime, young, and ready. Now, who can just give me, I want you to share. And I want 3 little stories. Short. What does it mean for you and to you to have been selected to be a part of this course this year? Who is going to take it?
Okay, so
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
okay, so for me, I see this course to be one of the course which is a game changer to me, because when I started this course, I didn't really know how to set up anything like a camera. I didn't know anything about the analog system. I didn't know anything about the IP system. But right now, as our tutor just said, I'm able to, fix an analog camera. I'll be able to fix an IP system as well. So I believe this particular program is a game changer to me. And aside that, we've learned a lot about Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is somebody who has inspired our founder, the person who actually is the reason why Ghana is Ghana today. He's the one who inspired him. But unfortunately, when we started, I think most of us didn't know anything about Marcus Garvey. But through this foundation, we've been able to read about him and know how he inspired our founder, our founding father of this country, which is Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So I believe this program has really enlightened us and then has taken us to another level, which I believe is a very good thing. And then we are hoping that by the close of the year, we will learn more to whatever we've learned. So,
what's your name? Who else is going to share? 2 more. Yes, please.
I'm Ebenezer. Then also, being here is a blessing to me as well. It's not about only electricals and electronics that we just study here. Sometimes too, with the help of our Madam Naomi and Setu, we do part of history and also very important lesson, that's personal development.
Yes.
That's shaped us a lot. It has now even shaped us even from the start of this course. There are certain things that at first we personally, we don't know. Even they don't teach us in our basic schools, even our SS, but we get that information here. That are very necessary and it helps us a lot. That's one thing that we can never go away with this MMG Foundation. Thank you.
Awesome. What was your name again, please? Ebenezer.
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 Yes.
Thank you so much. One more story. Can we have the lady over here? Administrator of Canada. Loud and clear, the camera looking on you. Represent the ladies. Represent the ladies, please. Talk up.
My name is Juliet. I'm the administrator for MMG Foundation. And what I would say is, this program has really changed my life personally in so many ways, as with personal development and also boosting my self-esteem, public speaking, a little public speaking, and also during our interview session, I've also learned a lot about myself, my strength, and then the field I need to work on. Also my finances, my budget. It has really helped me a lot because I used to I know how to make money, but I also know how to spend money because I know I'll definitely make another money and then, But now I make money and then I spend and then I also save. So that's the most significant thing, I would say, from February to July, the change I have really made in my life.
Awesome. And I tell you something, you did very well. Because not many persons like being called out just like that. Alright? So you did very well. Anybody else want to say anything else? We open up for 2 more. Yeah, we'll come. Thank you. We'll come over and close. We will close out this segment. 1 more. Abdul. Abu. Step forward. Abu. Come true.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
Okay, my name is Abubakar Sadiq.
Little louder, please.
My name is Abubakar Sadiq, and I think this course helped me a lot because I like electric work, but I don't know anything about safety. And I came here, I know something about safety. If you know, put your things well, how it will suck you, and you have to arrange your things well, how you do good work. And I know something about Marcus Garvey. And Marcus Garvey, it was some person who fights for Africa, for Caribbeans to come to Africa, to their blast, and we blast can make it. And I go a lot of program because of MNG Foundation to learn more about Africans and then our brothers Caribbeans blast who they abroad. So, and I think like what I learned, it helped me a lot. If you see my brother black, how I feel for him. Because I feel to help him the way Marcus Garvey was helping Caribbeans to come to Africa, and I feel to help him. I know that one day it will be like we MNG Foundation will help our brothers to come in Africa, to be in Africa, and Africa must unite and move.
So the name is Samuel Menzi, and then coming here so far, it has been a very amazing. It has been a very amazing experience for me because I'm able to go around like electrical systems, and I'm able to detect that this is wrong here. There's a fault here. This needs to be done in order for this to be able to work. And I'm also able to go about electrical systems like security systems and be able to detect whether what was done is right or is up to standard. And the lesson so far that Madam has impacted me will go on for generations to come, because I will make sure that my children and my children's children will learn about time management, budgeting, and the few important things that. So like I want to thank everyone.
You won't close this out. One more.
My name is David Amo, and this foundation has really helped me a lot. At first, I don't know about safety. Although I can't go and do things, but when I can't go, I don't use books. But when I came here, I learned more about safety. When you don't have the safety, you can risk your life on electric field. So what I would say is that thank you, Madam.
Guys, we're going to close out with one other person, but right here to the global space. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right now. You have the floor to close out this channel.
My name is Philip. I'm a newcomer. Being on this course, I always say it's the beginning of a new beginning for me. And then, having been here for about 6 months, I've learned so many things that I can take out into the world and then be able to be confident to carry myself out. I've learned from basic electrical. You know, starting this course, I never knew anything about power. Power wasn't my friend. But within these 6 months, I realized I can become a friend to power. And then how to have my brothers back, how to keep each other in line, and then be there for everybody. And then also, I'm somebody who loves to travel a lot and then visit places, but with the help of MMG Foundation, I'm able to travel to certain parts of the country so far that I would have not been able to do on my own. And I thank MMG Foundation for that. Then also, I've learned about creating invoices, how to budget our finances, how to be time management, and then also how to wire 2-bedroom surface wiring. Yeah. And then about the camera system, which is the IP and then the analog. So far I would say MMG is not just about electrical system and this electronic stuff, but MMG is a full package on its own.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. This is very special. It has warmed my heart. I've heard personal development being mentioned not once, not twice. And at the end of the day, I truly believe that's the essence. That's the final packaging. It does not matter how good you are at your craft. If you're not able to develop yourself, that's where the pride in self comes in. That's where the confidence comes in. That no matter where you came from or where you live in Ghana, you truly can become. You are not just a Garveyite in name only because you're wearing the shirt with his image. But personal development says you feel it within your core. That when you leave the comfort of this space and education and you go home, your family and loved ones feel and see that you left home one way, but after an encounter with the Buchanans through the NNGF, you are raising yourself. And that is what you are ultimately going to need when you get your toolkit. Because you will have to sell yourself to get that opportunity. And that comes only by personal development. It's a daily, I call it mind food. And I myself do it every day. I read from different thought sharers, thought speakers, because I need it. You never fully graduate because every day you learn a little bit more about yourself. I'm learning a lot in a short space of time. Sometimes we say there's no future, but through you guys here, Garveyites, I see future. From the youngest, me 19 years old, we have under 30. The Buchanans, KGL funding this operation, and the only thing that is required is that you turn up on time every day, and you are here, and that's a wonderful thing. The future certainly is bright. You are young men, the future leaders, the strength, the powerhouse in your household. You're kings in the making. And so thank you for cooperating and let me in. You each did well. Diane's channel is unscripted, unedited, unfiltered, and I don't need to edit because I've gotten the real you in what you shared. I have to thank and ask Pastor Bernard to let the people see you that he has been our videographer for today. Pastor Bernard, can you come in and let the people see your face? Right? Tell the audience what you're
right, thank you everyone.
Hallelujah.
I think it's a very good day having a nice time with our mother here. But as like I say, our sister. MMG has helped all of us here. We have all benefited. And the most important thing for me personally is the stipend. Yes, it has.
They make a ching, some money, right?
It has really helped me personally.
Mm.
And we will say thank you to KGL and we ask for more.
Sure.
I hope you enjoyed the supplement I told you I would be bringing you. And this is where we call it a wrap. These trainees, students of the Mosiah Garvey Foundation. Thank you very much to the Buchanans. Garveyites in the making.
Yeah.
Medase. One love. One love. I'm going to ask you to do this. Bless up Jamaica for me now. Bless up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica. And